Many of our clients at BIREN KATZMAN have been in really severe traumas where they've received injuries to different parts of their body. What we found over the years is that sometimes a specific leg injury is being treated, a specific facial injury is being treated, but the doctors are missing other problems because they're so focused on the most acute injuries that nobody's paying attention to the whole person and all the complaints the person has. They think if they take care of the most acute problems that everything's fine. An example of this is a young man who I tried a case for in 2007 who'd been in a serious motorcycle accident, and he had very serious facial injuries and a very serious leg injury, and he had wonderful doctors who paid attention and did as best they could to patch up those injuries. The problem was he also had a concussion. He also had very severe emotional and anxiety issues afterwards, and he had a pain syndrome that developed. Nobody was following that. The facial doctor only followed the facial injuries. The leg doctor only followed the leg injuries. Part of our job is to make sure that our clients are getting all of the right treatment for all the problems that they have. We got him to the appropriate doctors who were able to analyze and treat the emotional injury he had, the cognitive or mental injury that he had from the head injury, and also the pain syndrome. By doing this, first, most importantly, we made sure that our client had the best possible care so that he would make a full recovery, not just a recovery for one or two of the injuries, to the extent that he could, given the magnitude of his injuries. Secondly, we were able to marshal evidence about all of the harm that was done to him. We were able to present that evidence to a jury so that they understood not just the face injury or the leg injury, but all of the harm and all of the damage, and appreciate the differences in this young man's life, and they returned an appropriate verdict for all of that harm. That's part of the service that we provide, is to make sure that the client's getting medical treatment for all of the problems, and that we have evidence of the full damages so that they're not shortchanged.